My dear student, I am so happy to welcome you to my very special Facebook ads, Instagram ads course. I have conducted this course because I have been reading all the feedback of all my students. I have helped more than 500,000 students on Udemy to get better results with Facebook ads and to know how to create, optimize Facebook ads. And so this course is very, very special because I have discovered no matter if you have been business owner, beginner, or you have been struggling with Facebook ads, that the most common issue is how to overcome Apple restrictions, how to correctly use Facebook Pixel, how to create the correct customer journey, how to understand Facebook objectives, how to get leads, and how to really sell, how to correctly lead a big campaign and get ready to get again the sales for e-commerce. Because most students write me that they struggle a lot with sales. And the last point, students tell me to create really fast course with everything new layout, with copywriting, with new creator studio, new business page, and new business manager, and new ad manager. So this is a very fast, complete course I have created for you. So I hope you will really enjoy it. Please welcome, and I am so happy to welcome you as my new student.